In today's video, we talk about one of the important topic of Revit called filter. I am not talking about normal section filter. I am talking about ruled section filter. This is very important topic whenever you learn Revit or already you are working in office. It is used to do quality checking. Let's start the topic. Create your wall type. Go in edit. Create duplicate. Name it exterior wall. Exterior walls. Function type exterior. Okay. Again edit. Create duplicate. Take interior wall. Interior walls. Function type interior. Apply. Okay. Suppose I am creating a model by taking rectangular. Suppose I am creating a wall I select here exterior one, create a wall. Here I am creating exterior wall. Okay. Now what I need to do, I need to do inside wall also. So go and take interior wall. I am creating any wall only to make you understand. Okay. Suppose any of our team member use the interior wall outside also. Suppose some of your member use this interior wall outside also. Now go in 3D. Click on wall, select all and level 2. Okay, all are in level 2. Now see, from here I can't distinguish the interior and exterior wall. By the way, by clicking here, go in edit type, I can identify it is an interior wall and their type. Okay, but when we are working on a large scale, we can't click each element and check because there is a shortage of time and project is very large. So in this condition we create a filter. First we go in visibility graphic from here, or you can go from view and visibility graphic, or you can use the shortcut VG. Here you will see filter. Click on here. You will see there is no filter, that's why it's written no filter have been applied. In this condition, what to do? If we want to add, we can add here, but we need to create a new one. So click here, click on new, write exterior wall. Give some name, exterior wall. Okay. Go in category, select wall. Here parameters, we are using parameters function. So let's click on function. Here you can give the formula equals, and we are doing it for exterior wall. So here exterior and apply. Again we create new for the interior wall. Interior walls, give the name interior walls. Okay. Select the category wall, function, click on the function. Give the formula equals, and for interior wall apply. Okay. Now we have created the filter, but here not showing. We have to add here exterior wall. By pressing Ctrl, you select both interior wall and OK. You will now see both filters are visible here. Suppose you here is visibility. If you exterior wall, if you click here and apply, you will see exterior wall not visible. If you want to make it visible, click on this box and apply. In this way you can do for interior wall also. If you don't want to see this interior wall, you can click on this box and apply. You will see interior wall is not showing. Okay. Now for a large scale project we used to do color also, color pattern. Let's see. Click here, solid, select any of the color. Okay. If you want to color in the full body projection surface, you can go here, select the color. Now for the interior wall, suppose for interior wall we take this red color or orange color. Okay. 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 Now you can apply. You will see. You can identify clearly from using this filter. Suppose this is the interior wall. We don't need here interior wall, but by default it's done by your some of your employee, so you can change it directly by selecting. By pressing Ctrl, you can select this all wall and make it to exterior, because it's exterior wall. You can see in this way you can identify your walls clearly by using this filter. Thank you for watching the video.